Okay, so hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a very famous, easy, I don't know. But anyway, we're going to do a makeup tutorial for today. A few days ago, I have posted on my Instagram account any recommendations for my next video. So there were Korean makeup tutorial, there's bridal makeup, no makeup, 5-minute makeup challenge. There's also some product reviews for BLK, Nadine Lustre, and skincare. And wala ako sinunod. So today what we're gonna do is Junk Blush plus Faux Freckles makeup tutorials. So I've already finished my eyes, my brows, and my base. So I really didn't do anything different from how I usually do my foundation. But I will link down my latest video where I did my foundation routine there, so you can just have a look. But yeah, let's go proceed to our Junk Blush makeup tutorial. So, I have here a velvet blush from LA Cosmetics. So, ganito siya. I already forgot the shade. It's... What is the shade? Velour. Velour. So, Velour. So, ito yung shade niya. Ganyan siya, guys. So, I will apply this on my cheeks. Of course. So, let's do that. And then, obviously, kailangan i-extend nyo talaga siya until the bridge or the side of the bridge of the nose. And then, I have here my dry beauty blender. I'm just gonna try to blend it out. So, just possible, try to make it look like it's a natural blush. Syempre. So, hanggang dito. So, yan siya, guys. And then I also have here my e.l.f. contour and blush. So I'll just take this and then add a bit more. Pero more on dito na lang sa make it a bit more natural. And then also here on the chin. And then for the faux freckles, what I was thinking is as well like a very dark eyeshadow. So this is what I use for my eyebrows, which is the Mary Kay Espresso, using a very tiny detail brush like this. So like that, put loads there. Parang naging dalmation. Mali. Just put loads of it in your cheek area. I changed it to like an eyebrow, and then I used the sharper end. And then blend it. panasayahan dyan sa freckles na yan. So, I noticed kasi, those who have really like freckles, mostly it's really on the bridge of the nose and then goes down at the side of the nose and it goes to the cheeks. So, kailangan. Then with a fluffy brush, let's try to blend them out all together. Para lang ako may pimples. Now I'm just gonna finish the rest of my face. So, this is the finished Drunk Blush makeup look with faux freckles. So, hindi ko siya nakikita nyo ba? So, ayan siya guys. Diba? Parang pimple marks yata nag-itsura. But anyway, this is the closest I can get to get the Drunk Blush plus faux freckles makeup look. So, what can you say? Anyway, guys, if you like this makeup look, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. And yeah, see you next on my video. See you next time. See you on my next video. Bye.